Oh? Can you say oh? Oh?
Mama?
Yes, baby? Oh, yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Let me catch my breath for a minute. I just finished my Sunday morning workout, which was super good. I feel accomplished, and I don't have much time chit-chatting for the latter part of this month because I'll be so busy. It's Sunday, it's the last day of the weekend, so you know a lot have to get done. And yeah, I'm just going to jump in the shower, get look after myself real quick, and then look after the boys. Baby's over there doing dishes.
My Sunday morning workout too.
He says it's his Sunday morning workout, and Tyler is in here calling mama non-stopping. Look at him. He's watching TV. So I'm just gonna jump in the shower real quick, look after myself, and then make some breakfast for the boys. So many things to get done today, so hope you guys are having a productive day. Make sure you guys work out. It doesn't really matter how small it is, every bit counts. Stay motivated. Remember why you started in the first place. You can do this. So let's go. I am so tired, and it's just almost 1 o'clock. I have been in the kitchen from morning filming how to make my homemade Jamaican patties all morning. I finally finished, and it turned out really yummy. Hubby had a few since I made them because that's what he wanted. Hubby feed Tyler lunch, and I am now going to put him down for a nap real quick because he's been up all morning and roaming around, making a mess as usual. Look at my living room, you guys. That's all Tyler's handiwork. Look, non-stopping Tyler. He's been Tyler, you wanna say hello? You wanna say hi to hello? Boom boom boom. Boom, boom, boom. You ready to go take a bath? You ready to go for a nap? Or you still want to play? Look at my floor, you guys. He take off the cushions. He throw everything everywhere. Tyler, come. It's nap time. Where's your passy? Where's your passy? He's building towers. He's doing just about every and anything right now. Flip over his chair. Oh my god. This kid. Where's the passy, Tyler? Yeah. Yeah. What is it, baby? Huh? Silly little boy. You guys, my kid is so silly. Tell her you're so silly. Well, my baby's done for a nap. Now I can breathe. I'm so tired, you guys. But that's the life of a mama. But I don't mind. I'm just so tired. So I'm just going to rest up a bit. Seeing that he's napping. Something is on my face. Seeing that he's napping, I'm going to take this opportunity to get a little rest. So you guys, the boys are up and we had planned to go to this park today, but outside just looks so sad. It's been raining all morning, all day, so it doesn't make sense we even venture outside, even though at the park I think there's a park that is indoors. Sorry, but we won't chance it. We're just going to stay home and chill for the rest of the day. So yeah, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. We are just home chilling. Sometimes when you plan some things, they just never go according to plan, so you just have to work with the flow. But that's okay. The boys are over there. Baby's playing game as usual. Tyler is making a mess as usual. And Mel is on YouTube as usual. Good job, baby. Good job. Come, do this one. Come and do this one. Look, Tyler, here. This way. Tyler, come. Look, baby, this one. Come and do this one. Good job. Good job, baby. Look! Look, baby, look! Finish this one first. Come and finish this one first. Look, Ty, finish this one. Oh, he wants to do ABC. That's G. That's the correct spot. G. G. Good job. Look. Finish. Good job. Good job. That's red. Focus. Good job. Two more. Good job. Yay! You're doing so well. You already mastered this one that you got yesterday. And this one he's doing so well. He almost got all of them. He's just confused because he's seen so much and he wants to do all of them all at once. But he's doing so well. You're doing so well, Tyler. We're so proud of you. Oh? Can you say oh? Oh? Oh. Mama? Yes, baby? Oh, yeah. So today for dinner, I am making some mashed sweet potatoes for Tyler, some shrimp and oyster sauce for Babe and I, and I'm making some mashed potatoes for Babe, and of course you know that I'm gonna have vegetables, so that's what's on the dinner menu for today. And I have my little assistant over there.
He's not little assistant, he's a great chef.
Washing up dishes for me as I'm cooking. He's such a good husband. You don't know what? What you say, babe?
No, I'm doing my Sunday duty. No, I like
He's been in the kitchen with me all day today. That's good.
I
So
like to
good.
help you feel doing something together.
Oh, I like when you help me. So you guys, we are cooking dinner, and Tyler is in the living room. Why is he so quiet? What is he doing? Sure,
when
he's
it's
watching
quiet,
TV.
usually it's never good. Never.
Oh, there he is, making a mess. You're making a mess? Huh? You're making a mess? Yeah? Look at your mess, Papa. Look at your mess. Supermarket chair in my couch. Chair flip over. Baby doing all the mess.
Oh Lord. Tyler. You remember when we moved here, we said that Tyler won't play in the living room.
Oh, we're wrong. We're wrong. We're so wrong. Oh yeah. We were so wrong.
Look, you want to show? You show.
I did. I did.
Look at how Tyler is.
His room?
Yeah, his room clean. His room clean.
Well, two toy pan. One is over there and one is here. The room is as big as pan.
Yeah, but it's
And
clean.
look at the living room. Mess. My gosh. Well, that's what happened. That's what happened when you have babies, right, guys? That's okay. So I'm just here cooking, and then we're gonna have dinner. So we'll catch you guys after dinner. Dinner is all ready, you guys, and everybody's happy. This is for Mama.
Tyler?
That's for Babe.
Yeah.
And that's Tyler. Come, baby, it's dinner time. What's wrong? Come on. Say bye-bye. Alright, you guys, so we're just gonna end the vlog here. It's late night. And then, you know, Tyler is gonna go off to bed, and then it's just time for hubby and I to just rewind for the day and call it a night. So don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching us. Say bye, hello.
Bye.
Say bye, Tyler. Tyler just need food right now. So bye, you guys, and we'll catch you guys in our next vlog.